Understanding the phrase, iron collar. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, iron collar. This is a fascinating expression with historical roots and metaphorical meanings. Whether you're a language enthusiast or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. Let's start with the literal meaning of iron collar. Historically, an iron collar was a real, physical object. It was a heavy metal collar used in the past, often for punishment or to restrain prisoners. This use of an iron collar was both restrictive and uncomfortable for the wearer. In modern English, iron collar is used more metaphorically. When someone says they feel like they are in an iron collar, they are expressing a feeling of being trapped, restricted, or under oppressive control. This phrase is often used to describe situations in the workplace, relationships, or other life scenarios where someone feels they lack freedom or are being controlled unfairly. Let's see how this phrase works in some sentences. 1. Ever since the new manager took over, the employees feel like they are in an iron collar, with all the new restrictions. 2. Living under such strict rules at home, she often felt the weight of an iron collar around her neck. These examples show how iron collar can be used to describe situations where there is a lack of freedom or an overbearing control. It's important to note the cultural context of this phrase. Given its historical use in punishment and control, it may evoke negative emotions, especially in contexts related to oppression or human rights abuses. As with many idioms, understanding the background and cultural sensitivity is key to using it appropriately. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, iron collar. Remember, language is not just about words, but also the history and culture behind them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting language insights. Keep exploring and expanding your language horizons.